Hi guys, my name is Komang Ayu and I'm from 11 Social 2. Right now I'm gonna show you guys how to make a really simple spaghetti aglio with olio. And here's what you need. Uncooked pasta, minced garlic, oil, chili flakes, mushroom optional, salt, and dried parsley. First, bring a large pot filled with water. Add a little bit oil, wait for it to boil. Next, cook spaghetti in the boiling water for about 8 minutes. And then, drain it. Heat the pan, add oil, mushroom, garlic, and chili flakes. Cook over medium heat until the garlic gets golden brown. Lastly, add the pasta. Season with parsley, and salt. Stir for about 1 minute. And it's done. Thanks for watching.